you want to do YouTube and you want to make a lot of money. However, for that you need a channel, but you're not sure which channel you should start. If you want to generate results like this, or even this, then in this video I'm going to show you 3 channels that you should start right now. Now those results that you just saw are actually from me. I'm Youri, I've been in YouTube automation for over 3 years now, and I've been able to generate over $1 million combined with AdSense, brand deals, affiliate marketing, and digital products through faceless YouTube channels. My favorite channel number 1 is the tech niche. This channel right there is called Future Tech. You can see they got 650,000 subscribers, which is actually crazy. But if we take a look at their videos, you'll see these are faceless videos about gadgets. Now, as of right now, this channel is very steady. It's not been blowing up like crazy, but it's been very steady. There are a lot of channels that are blowing up as of right now, but as you can see, this one is very steady, which is something that I always look for when building a YouTube channel, because I'm not here for that quick money and then it dies down again. I want to see where I can make money long term. As you can see, this video, the top 10 coolest tech gadgets in 2022 that you should have, is simply a video where no one is showing his or her face. All of it is done by using stock footage, advertisements, and then putting it together through editing it with different layovers and text animations. Now what is good is that you can make money with the ads on the videos. So these videos are monetized, and because of that you can make money. What's even better is that you can monetize this externally with affiliate marketing. If you go to the description, take a look at these links. Now if I click on one of those links, I'll be sent over to their website, and 9 times out of 10 that is going to be an affiliate link. Now I'm not able as of right now to track that, but for example, these Amazon links are definitely affiliate links. You can see right there, this is the username from his or her Amazon account. So if I now go ahead and buy this, the owner of that channel is gonna make even more money. Now because you're doing this with tech products, usually the price is pretty decent and you'll be able to earn a decent commission on Amazon. One of the best channels in this niche that is generating insane money is YouFact Tech. If you take a look at their social blade, you'll see that they've been getting millions and millions of views every single month consistently over the last 2 years. Now think about it, they've probably made millions doing so, from ads as well as the affiliate and brand deal money coming in. Another one of my favorites is the crypto niche. This channel is called Crypto Hype Daily Crypto News. Now the reason this is so good is because it will always be relevant. Crypto is not going away anytime soon. Maybe we'll be in a bear market or a bull market. However, there's always content to be made, and this right there proves that. One day ago, 72,000 views on a channel with 63,000 subscribers, which is exceptionally good. If you go to the channel stats, you'll see that as of right now, they're picking up again, and they're getting about 400,000 views per month. Now within the crypto space, where you get a very high CPM, that definitely is making about $5,000 just with the AdSense money. You can also do affiliates and brand deals to get that up to $10,000 a month. This channel as of right now is getting about 1,000 subscribers per day, which is ridiculous. What I like about these channels is that there's always content to be made. Crypto moves all the time, meaning that you can always make content. You can do multiple videos per day if you want to, because the market is constantly changing. So if you do a video about Bitcoin at 11 AM, but then at 12 PM, Bitcoin changes for whatever reason, you can make another video and the people will still watch it because they have to be on point. One of the things with crypto is that you always need to be alert. So the people that hold a lot of Bitcoin or any other altcoin are very much interested in clicking on that new video to see if they need to act on it. You are also able to build a crypto community with a channel like this, plus the videos are very easy to make. You simply put together a bunch of images as well as some stock footage, videos, and then you're done. And then channel number 3, which is not a usual one, is the mystery niche. This channel right here is called Lazy Masquerade, whatever that's called. If you take a look at the videos they've been making, they're getting a lot of views and they don't upload a crazy amount of videos. They upload about 3-4 times per month and they're getting 4 million views per month. With that view count, they're easily making about $10,000 per month on YouTube. On their best month, they even had 7.4 million views, which is insane. If we take a look at how you make these videos, it's actually fairly simple. The reason being is that you're making videos about stories. Now these stories already exist because they actually happen. So all you need to do is find the interesting stories, rewrite them so that it becomes a good video for YouTube, and then put together pictures from that story and you're basically done. I'm not saying you should copy the story and then copy all of the images and that's your video. Don't do that. However, there's a lot of material already that exists prefer to use because you're doing it story-based. Benefit number 2 is a format that you can follow. Because look at this, the disturbing story behind this photo, the disturbing story behind this e-fit, the disturbing stories behind these images. You can see they simply follow a format that has been proven to work, and they do that over and over again, and it will always work because of the nature of that content. This channel is also evergreen because these stories will never run out of being interesting. Now, even though these channels are very good, if you want to learn about the highest CPM channels, click the video right there and then I'll teach you exactly how that works.